Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get the cursor back on the MacBook Air M4 screen. Generally, the cursor can disappear from your screen for several reasons, including app interference, multiple monitor use, or low memory, or sometimes apps hide a cursor intentionally for convenience, for example when you're watching videos in full screen. And in order to locate your cursor, you just have to either move your mouse quickly, or if you are using a trackpad, you can quickly move your finger on it. And in order that your cursor doesn't appear on the screen, then you can also right click or double tap the trackpad to open the options menu, or you can hold it down and make a selection with it to see it better. If it just doesn't want to appear, then the best solution would be to simply restart your computer by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds until your screen goes off, and then just single press it once again to turn your laptop back on. And once your laptop boots up, you will be able to see your cursor back on your laptop screen. And that's it basically. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.